At some point, the prototype works well enough that you want to put it in front of real users. That's usually when you discover what production ready actually means. Most of the code you've been writing with Claude Code is good enough for a prototype. The agent has been writing correct logic, handles the happy path, and gets the feature working. But production adds constraints. Error handling for unexpected inputs, logging that lets you debug a problem at 2 a.m., security checks that weren't important when it was just you and a dev instance. Start with a review pass specifically focused on hardening. A prompt that works well is like review this app for production readiness. Look for missing error handling, places where a bad input could break the form, any script includes that assume the record always exists. Let that agent flag those gaps. Fix the ones that matter, handle the edge cases that will actually hit in the first week, and the rare ones can maybe wait. Look at your business rules and client scripts, make sure they don't silently fail. A business rule that throws an uncaught error can abort a record save with no messages to the user, and that becomes a support ticket waiting to happen. Deployment discipline matters more on the path to production. The SDK's deploy command gets you there, and we covered deploying to multiple instances in an earlier episode. The principle is the same. Commit and push before you deploy, not after. Your code should match what's on the instance every time. The last thing before you flip the switch, a documented rollback plan. Know which commit to revert to. Know the now-sdk deploy command you'd run against prod to get back to the last stable state. You probably won't need it, but having it written down means you're not figuring it out at the last moment or the wrong moment. Okay. Thanks. Talk to you to the last one. We're getting near to the end.